Hello and welcome to From Scratch to Plate. Today we're going to be making this delicious Oreo ice cream. Here is a list of ingredients. Now let's get started. We're going to start off by adding our heavy cream to a bowl. And mix that until it looks like Cool Whip. You can use your hand mixer or your stand mixer. And then just set that aside. Add your Oreos to a baggie, close it, and smash them with your rolling pin. You can leave some big chunks if you want, that's what I like to do, and set that aside. In another bowl, add in your sweetened condensed milk and your vanilla and mix that very well. Now we're going to be just folding in about a cup of your whipped cream and just try to fold that in as gently as you can so we can just keep everything nice and smooth and fluffy. And now add that to the rest of the whipped cream and gently fold that in together. I'm just grabbing from the bottom and pulling up to the top until everything is smooth and still light and fluffy. And it'll look like that. And now add in your crushed Oreos and leave a little bit for topping off after you mix this together. And again, we're going to be gently folding that. I added 15 Oreos, but you can add 25, up to 25. It all depends on what you like. And I'm just adding that to one of my old yogurt containers, my favorite yogurt in the entire world. And just add that in and top it off with the rest of your Oreos. Pop it in the freezer for about 6 to 7 hours. And that's what it looks like when it's all done. Super creamy, super delicious. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy!